Today we will be discussing exercise 25C, and this exercise is based on unit conversion of volume and capacity. So basically children, in the previous topics we have discussed that 1 centimeter has 10 millimeters, 1 meter has 100 centimeters, 1 kilometer has 1000 meters. Okay, and we know this already. And when we were talking about volume of a body, for example, cube and cuboid, the units were meter cube and centimeter cube. And when we are talking about the capacity, then we talk about in liters. Basically, the meaning of this, suppose if you have a vessel and if you fill water inside this vessel. Okay, so how many liters of water is inside the vessel? So basically this is the capacity when we are talking about the capacity. So children, first of all, 1 centimeter has 10 millimeters. Okay, so 1 centimeter cube will have how many millimeters? 1000 millimeter cubes. How? 1 centimeter has 10 millimeters into 10 equals to 1000 millimeter cube. Okay, so this was for centimeter. When we are talking about meter, 1 meter cube has how many centimeters? 1 meter has 100 centimeter. So for every meter, 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeter cube. So to convert centimeter into millimeter, multiply by 1000. To convert centimeter cube into millimeter cube, multiply by 1000. To convert 1 meter cube to let's remove this one. Okay, to convert millimeter cube to centimeter cube, then divide by 1000. Very simple. To convert centimeter cube into millimeter cube, multiplied by 1000, and to convert millimeter cube into centimeter cube, divide by 1000. So example, convert 4.5 centimeter cube to millimeter cube. Very simple. From larger unit to smaller unit. So how will we do this? We will multiply. So 4.5 into 1000. So this will be 4500 millimeter cube. And second one, we have 87,000 millimeter cube to centimeter cube. So smaller to larger, then we divide. 87,000 divided by 1000. Okay, so this will be 87 meter cube. Second one, example 15, 5.29 meter cube to centimeter cube. Larger unit is smaller, so we will multiply. So 5.29 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So this will be 529 4 centimeter cube, and 7600 centimeter cube to millimeter cube. Then what will we do? 7600 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will be 0.0076 meter cube. Very simple. Okay, centimeter to meter, multiply by 1000, millimeter to centimeter, divide by 1000, meter cube to centimeter cube, multiply by ones, tens, 100,000, 10 lakh, 10 lakh, 10 lakh, centimeter to meter, divide by 10 lakh. You will get your answer. Now, talking about capacity, children. The volume or space inside a hollow object is called capacity. Suppose at your house, children, you have a glass and water is filled inside the glass, and how much water is in that glass? So basically glass or cups hold almost 300 ml of water. So that is the capacity of that glass. Or you must have seen that if you buy milk from a shop, those packets that you have, those packets is of half liter, 0.5 liters. Half liter means 500 ml. 1 liter has 1000 ml. Children, make sure you remember this. Okay, so now we are going to convert these centimeter cubes into this liter. So we will look into this now. Okay, so the relationship is 1000 centimeter cube equals to 1 liter. That means basically if you have a cube, okay, and its volume is 1000 centimeter cube. The volume of this cube is 1000 centimeter cube. Okay, so it will hold 1 liter of water, 1 liter of milk, or 1 liter of any liquid. This is the meaning of this. Or, and the side of this cube will be, so volume, what is the formula of the volume of a cube? L cube volume, equals to 1000 cube root. So this will be 10 into 10 into 10, so 10 centimeter. So a cube which has a side of 10 centimeter will have a volume of 1000 centimeter cube, and its capacity is 1 liter. That it will have 1 liter water in it. So children, now 1 centimeter cube equals to 1 upon 1000. How is this coming simply? Cross multiply, 1000 comes down below what? Denominator. So 1 centimeter cube equals to 1000 liter, and 1 centimeter cube is also called 1 ml. But I have already told you 1000 ml equals to 1 liter. So what are the conversions? 1 liter equals to 1000 centimeter cube. 1 liter equals to 1000 ml, and 1 ml equals to 1 centimeter. From this, 1 liter equals to 1000 centimeter cube, 1 liter equals to 1000 ml. So from this we can say 1 centimeter cube equals to 1 ml. So what is the meaning of this? So if you have a cube whose volume is 1 centimeter cube, its capacity would be 1 ml. Inside will be 1 centimeter. Okay, now talking about kiloliter. So children, 1 kiloliter equals to 1000 liters. 1 kiloliter equals to 1000 liters, and this is also equal to 1 meter cube. So K stands for 1000 basically. For example, 1 kg has 1000 grams, or 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. So this K represents 1000. The meaning of this K is 1000. So 1 kiloliter equals to 1000 liter and equals to 1 meter cube. How 1 meter cube? Okay, we'll go into it. 1 meter cube basically means a cube whose volume is 1000 liters, or capacity is 1000 liters and volume is 1 meter cube, and its side would be, you can find the formula, its side would be 1 meter, volume equals to 1, root cube of 1 will be 1 only, so 1 meter is the side of this cube. Now 1 kiloliter equals to 1000 liters or 1 meter cube. One important thing here, children. 1 kiloliter equals to 1000 liters or 1 meter cube, and 1 kiloliter equals to 1 meter cube. So 1 meter has how many centimeters? 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeter cube. So 1 kiloliter equals to 1000 liters equals to 1 meter cube or 1 lakh centimeter cube. And the last relation, that is very important, 1000 ml. 1000 ml is basically 1 liter or 1 ml equals to 1 centimeter cube. Make sure you remember this. 1000 ml equals to 1 liter or 1 ml equals to 1 centimeter cube, and 1 kiloliter equals to 1000 liters equals to 1 meter cube. Make sure you remember this. Now, example 15, express 9.7 liters in centimeter cube. Very simple. 1 liter has how many centimeter cube? 1000. 1 liter has 1000 centimeter cube. So this will be 9.7 multiplied by 1000. So this will be 9700 centimeter cube. Example 16. Capacity of a tank is 180 kiloliters. So capacity, or this is also called volume, 180 kiloliters, that means 180, and K stands for 1000. So 1000 liters. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4 liters. This much liters. 1,80,000, I think. 1, 10, 100,000, 10, 1 lakh. 1,80,000, yes. 1,80,000 liters. And we already know this. 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liters. So we can convert this in meter cube. Basic simply 180,000 divided by 1000. So this will be 180 meter cube. So volume is 180 meter cube. Okay. And if the length and breadth of the tank are respectively 6 meter, 5 meter, length is 6 meter, breadth is 5 meter, find the height or the depth, same thing. So volume equals to L into B into H, 6 into 5 into H. So 180 equals to 6 into 5 into H. So H equals to 180, 6 into 5 is 30, 3 6 are 6 meters. This will be your answer, children. Now, exercise 25C. Children, starting with exercise 25C. Now, question number 1. Convert 7 centimeter cube to millimeter cube. So children, we already know this. 1 centimeter has 10 millimeters. So to convert this, basically multiply 7 centimeter cube with 7 centimeter cube, 7 into 1000, we will get 7000 millimeter cube. So 7 into 1000 equals to 7000 millimeter cube. Okay, now 60,000 millimeter cube to centimeter cube. So to convert this into millimeter centimeter cube, divide by 1000. This will be 60 centimeter cube. To convert centimeter cube into millimeter cube, multiply by 1000. To convert millimeter cube into centimeter cube, divide by 1000. Third one you have is 0.0086 meter cube to centimeter cube. So we are converting a larger unit to a smaller unit, so we will multiply this with 1000. So this will be 8, not with 1000, 1 lakh. So this will be 8600 centimeter cube. Okay, last one you have is 5000 centimeter cube to meter cube. To convert centimeter cube into meter cube, you will divide this with 1 lakh. Okay, and after dividing, you will get 0.005 meter cube. This will be your answer. Now, express in centimeter cube. 36 liters in centimeter cube. So 1 centimeter cube equals to 1 liter. We know this, 1 ml, and 1 meter cube. So we need to convert this 36 liters in centimeter cube. Okay, so how will we do this? Simply 1 liter has 1000 centimeter cube. So 36 into 1000. So this will be 36,000 centimeter cube. Next one you have is 0.73 liters. Simply multiply with 1000. Next one 0.0068 liters. Multiply this with 1000 and you will get your answers. I think you can do this much. Question number 3. Express in liters. So to convert centimeter cube in liter, what will we do? Okay. The question does not say it has to be centimeter cube, but we have to express in liters. So 8,000 centimeter cube in liters. So what will we do? We know this 1 liter equals to 1000 centimeter cube. To convert this in liters, we will divide this with 1000. So 8,000 divided by 1000, you will get 8 liters. Okay. Next one you have is 2000 centimeter cube divided by 1000. You will get 2 liters. The last one is 3,500 centimeter cube divided by 1000. So this will be 3.5 liters. Now, question number 4. Express in liters. So 1 meter cube equals to how many liters? 1000 liters. Okay. So 4 meter cube, 4 into 1000. This will be 4000 liters. 27 meter cube will be 27 into 1000. 27,000 liters. And 3.8 centimeter cube in liters. So very simple. We need to convert 3.8 centimeter cube in liters. So we will divide 3.8 by 1000. 3.8 divided by 1000. This will be 0.0038 liters. Okay. Last question number 5, children, of this chapter. The capacity of a cuboidal tank is 5 kiloliters. This is your volume, or 5,000 liters. And to convert liters into meter cube, divide this by 1000. So this will be 5 meter cube. Volume is 5 meter cube, and volume of a cuboid is L into B into H. So 5 equals to L into B, which is 2.5, into 10 into H. So H equals to 5 upon 2.5 into 10. This will be 5 upon 25. So 1 upon 5, and this will be 0.2 meters. This is your answer. So the answer to this question is 0.2 meters. Children, it's very important that you go through the chapter summary. This is very important. Make sure you go through it. I hope you all have understood this chapter, and after the last chapter, when we finish it, we will have some revision, and I hope that you do very well in your exams. Thank you, class. Thank you for being so patient. I'll see you in the next video.